In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of passive income and why it's a game changer when it comes to achieving financial independence. So, what exactly is passive income, and why is it so crucial for your financial well-being? Let's break it down. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort or active involvement on your part. This is in stark contrast to active income, where you exchange your time and effort for a paycheck. The beauty of passive income lies in its ability to generate money for you, even when you're not actively working. Imagine waking up to find your bank account a little fuller, all thanks to the passive income streams you've set up. The benefits of creating passive income streams are immense. Not only does it provide you with additional financial security, but it also gives you the freedom to pursue your passions and spend more time with your loved ones. By diversifying your income sources and building passive income streams, you're essentially creating a safety net that can support you in the long run. And here's the kicker: the potential of earning money while you sleep is not just a pipe dream. With the right strategies and dedication, you can set up passive income streams that work for you 24/7, allowing you to reap the rewards of your hard work even in your downtime. So, are you ready to explore the world of passive income and take control of your financial future? Let's dive in. When it comes to building passive income streams, there are various avenues you can explore to make money work for you. Let's delve into some popular passive income sources and how they operate to help you achieve financial freedom. One of the most well-known passive income streams is rental properties. By investing in real estate and renting out properties, you can earn a steady stream of income without actively managing the day-to-day operations. The key here is to find the right properties in high-demand areas to ensure a consistent flow of rental income. Another lucrative passive income source is dividend stocks. By investing in dividend-paying companies, you can earn regular payouts based on the company's profits. This allows you to benefit from both stock price appreciation and dividend payments, providing a dual income stream. Royalties are another fascinating passive income stream, especially for creative individuals. Whether it's from writing a book, composing music, or creating digital products, royalties can provide a continuous source of income long after the initial work is done. Scalability is a crucial concept in passive income, as it allows you to increase your earnings without a proportional increase in effort. This means that once you've set up a passive income stream, you can scale it up to generate more income without significantly more work on your part. There are many successful passive income earners who have mastered the art of building multiple passive income streams to achieve financial independence. By following in the footsteps of successful individuals and diversifying your income sources, you too can pave the way to a more secure financial future. Let's explore some practical ways you can begin generating passive income and set yourself up for long-term success. One effective way to kickstart your passive income journey is by researching various passive income ideas. Consider creating an online course on a topic you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. By sharing your expertise with others, you can generate passive income through course sales and subscriptions. Another option to explore is investing in peer-to-peer lending platforms. By lending money to individuals or businesses through online platforms, you can earn interest on your investments without actively managing the loans. This can be a great way to diversify your passive income streams and potentially earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts. It's important to recognize that while passive income can provide financial freedom, it often requires initial effort and investment upfront. Whether it's creating content for an online course or conducting research on peer-to-peer lending opportunities, putting in the work early on can lead to sustainable passive income streams in the long run. Diversification is key when it comes to building passive income. By spreading your investments across different income streams, you can mitigate risks and ensure a more stable financial future. Remember, the more diverse your passive income sources, the more resilient your financial portfolio will be. So, don't be afraid to explore new opportunities and build a robust passive income strategy that works for you. Let's dive into real-life examples of individuals who have successfully built passive income streams and transformed their financial futures. From affiliate marketing to digital content creation, these success stories showcase the endless possibilities of generating passive income in the digital age. One shining example is Pat Flynn, a renowned entrepreneur who has mastered the art of passive income through affiliate marketing. By promoting products and services on his website and podcast, Pat has created a sustainable passive income stream that continues to grow over time. His success serves as inspiration for aspiring passive income earners looking to leverage affiliate marketing. The rise of digital platforms has opened up a world of passive income opportunities, particularly through YouTube channels, blogs, and ebooks. Many content creators have monetized their online presence to generate passive income through ad revenue, sponsored content, and product sales. By consistently producing valuable content for their audiences, they have built thriving passive income streams that provide financial stability and freedom. In the digital age, the potential for passive income is limitless. Whether it's creating online courses, developing mobile apps, or selling digital products, the internet offers many opportunities to generate passive income. By tapping into these digital platforms and harnessing the power of technology, individuals can unlock new avenues for financial growth and independence. Once you've established your passive income streams, the work doesn't stop there. It's crucial to understand the importance of actively managing and growing your passive income to maximize its potential and secure your financial future. Let's explore some key strategies for effectively managing your passive income sources. One essential aspect of managing passive income is reinvesting your earnings for compounding growth. By reinvesting a portion of your passive income back into your investments or business ventures, you can accelerate your wealth accumulation over time. This compounding effect can significantly boost your passive income streams and create a snowball effect of wealth creation. Monitoring and optimizing your passive income sources is another critical step in managing your financial portfolio. Regularly reviewing the performance of your investments, tracking income streams, and identifying areas for improvement can help you maximize your passive income potential. By staying proactive and making informed decisions, you can ensure that your passive income continues to grow and thrive. Staying informed about market trends and adjusting your passive income strategies accordingly is key to long-term success. Keep abreast of industry developments, economic changes, and emerging opportunities to adapt your passive income strategies for optimal results. By remaining flexible and agile in your approach, you can navigate market fluctuations and position yourself for continued passive income growth. Remember, managing your passive income is an ongoing process that requires diligence, strategic planning, and a proactive mindset. As we wrap up our exploration of passive income and its transformative power, it's clear that the potential for financial freedom is within reach for those willing to take action. Let's recap the key points discussed and inspire you to embark on your passive income journey today. Throughout this video, we've highlighted the numerous benefits of passive income, from providing additional financial security to offering the freedom to pursue your passions and spend more time with loved ones. By diversifying your income sources and building passive income streams, you can create a solid foundation for long-term wealth accumulation and independence. Now is the time to take the first step towards building your passive income empire. Explore different passive income opportunities, whether it's through real estate investments, online businesses, or dividend stocks. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for growth is limitless. We encourage you to seize this opportunity and start your passive income journey today. Take action, set your goals, and watch as your passive income streams grow and flourish. Remember, financial freedom is within your grasp. All it takes is that first step toward building your passive income empire. If you found this video valuable and inspiring, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who are ready to unlock the power of passive income. Stay tuned for more valuable content to help you on your journey to financial success.